Good morning, everybody. It's our first official day here in our place. It's not ready yet. We will give you a tour soon. But it's Tanner's first day of school. Say hi, Tanner. He's not angry. He's actually really excited.
Here you go.
He looks really sad.
Are you sad?
I want to go.
You don't want to go.
Oh.
Too bad.
Yes, it is August 10th. They do start school a little earlier here than back home, where they start school in September. Allie now wants her own backpack. We have some stuff to do today. We gotta go get a couch. Gotta go to IKEA. We gotta do a bunch of running around. As you can see, the TV is on the floor. We don't have a stand for it or anything. We have some things to do today. This will be more of a home vlog style video, but with a bunch of stuff to do. The internet's still out, so we hooked it up yesterday. We went and got the stuff, and Spectrum is the internet provider, and it's still out. And it says there's an outage in our area, but it's been over 24 hours, so hopefully that comes on today, so that little one can watch all her favorite shows. All right, we're about to drop Tanner off at his first day of school. What do you think of the school, buddy? Looks pretty good?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah,
really
we want
nice.
to. Yeah, it's really.
The only
Allie,
Mommy,
you can't go to school yet, boo-boo.
the only
Oh.
She really, really wants a backpack, so we'll go get her backpack.
Yeah, when we're at the store later, she wants a pink backpack.
which one? Purple or geek? Geek.
Pink backpack. All right, so we're gonna get him inside, make sure he can get into school today. Just dropped Tanner off at school.
Yeah.
We got to walk him to his class and everything, so he felt really comfortable.
Yeah. By the end, he's like, okay, bye.
Yeah, he told us to go. Oh, that's adorable.
I think he's gonna love.
I think he
this
does.
School
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, it's such a nice area too. It's
Very
almost,
nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice school. Like his other school.
It was nice,
I don't
but
I just.
that turkey? Oh, okay. Sorry, we've seen a lot of animals already. We've seen raccoons and deer, and I can't remember what the other thing was, but giant ducks that literally stop traffic. It's been pretty cool. Now we're gonna head over and finish out some paperwork for Tanner's school and drive by the power plant. I'm excited for that. There it is. There is the power plant. That is super cool. Paperwork portion completed. Now we get to go to IKEA. That's right, everybody. I normally don't condone this kind of shopping.
I know.
Excited.
I am, but like, I can't spend too much.
We do need a couple things, right? We need something to put the TV on and something for something.
Yeah. Yes.
Maybe a desk?
I guess.
Ooh, maybe they got a desk now. We'll find out.
We need a lot of little things, like we need a shower curtain.
Say hi.
Hi.
And of course we got Allie going with us today. We'll see how well she does in IKEA. Are you gonna be crazy?
You'd be crazy.
They're gonna open up in just a couple minutes. We found our TV stand. Here it is. Check it out. $169. You can see it's got glass. That way we can put Allie's toys and stuff in there, and diapers and all the Shelly's storage stuff. So that will be for the TV. Currently looking for a desk. What'd you find?
Nothing.
Nothing yet?
Nothing yet.
You sure? I see a lot of something.
I know.
Remember we used to have those drawers? Look how big those are now.
There's a desk.
Oh, ooh, there's a nice desk.
Do you want to get out?
Allie is having the best time ever. She loves IKEA. Are you having the best time? She's, oh, you want some help? You want some help? Okay.
Mommy.
Yeah.
So, we think we found a bed frame for Tanner. We have a bed for Tanner already.
Yeah, we're not getting the frame though today.
Not today. We're just slowly picking and choosing our stuff as we...
I wanted to find a dining table, but
They're also
I
short.
couldn't find one today.
We'd have to put like extended legs on it.
We're tall.
Yeah. Otherwise, that. Allie, what are you doing? Put those pillows back. Put those pillows back. Put it back. Okay. I'm going to the kitchen here. Ooh, fancy. So we're definitely looking at a lot of options, but we're being very selective right now just because we just got here and we just don't want to clutter with a whole bunch of stuff again like we had to sell before we left for Florida in the first place, huh? Hi, can I get a hug?
Mommy.
Yeah. Mommy went to go shop. You gotta go shopping. Bye, Allie. Now this is a cute, adorable bed right here. You got the little heart. You like it? You want to get it? Or are you gonna sleep in it? Yeah, your own bed.
Yeah.
What is this bed going for, Shelly? Is that the frame price? Oh no, those are pillows. Twin tile pattern pink. No. Yes.
Does it slide out?
It says $159 for the frame. You like it? Shelly, look down here. Yeah, it's a slider right there. Oh, so it expands out.
She'd probably like it after.
She would love it. And yes, pretty art.
Allie, look it.
Allie has been quite the handful, but she's having a lot of fun. We did have a little meltdown. There was some crying.
Yeah.
I want to get like one of these two for Tanner in his room, just so he has light. Shelly, look at this one. Actually, I mean it's broken, but hi, say hi. She's doing really good. Oh, you gotta put the cartoons on for her before she gets all mad at you again. Say hi. She's doing really good though. She likes being out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until she had a meltdown. Like
Full meltdown.
like so bad. She was just no to the it was echoing in the IKEA. Like I knew when you went into the bathroom to change her, like it was her.
Yeah.
The kid behind us that was yelling, Allie, I could hear Allie over it.
Yeah. So I had to like carry her kicking and screaming out of IKEA. Like screaming.
And this is current state of Allie now.
All because she just didn't want to put on another diaper.
Yeah, that was it. Nothing else. It wasn't like a toy or something like that. She just didn't want to get dressed. Either way, we're heading home now. We got a couple boxes in the back and a big bag of stuff. Tanner gets out of school in an hour and a half. We still have to pick him up. I'm super excited. Hopefully he had a good day.
Yeah.
And then I gotta go pick up a couch tonight. I gotta do a character warehouse video. If you guys don't know, last year was like the last time. It's almost been a year since the last time I did a character warehouse video. But what it is Disney's outlet stores. They have 2 of them. So my plan is, in the future, to every Thursday release a character warehouse video in the morning. Let's say you are going on vacation Friday and you want to know what they have available. Well, you're going to watch that video on Thursday. Just, I don't know. I like doing them, and I also like to buy Disney stuff for cheap. So we're going to have a lot of Disney stuff. Either way, we're on the way home now, and I have, I think, just enough time to put at least the desk together. Or at least halfway together. She's...
I don't think so.
I'm really good at putting things
Just
together.
we have to leave in like an hour to go get dinner.
Yeah, we do. Because we don't have a Sun Pass, which is the toll pass here. We ran out of quarters. I'm running out of dollars. And not every booth has people at them, so you need to use the change one. And yeah, so we're gonna try to get a Sun Pass also.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on. All right, I need this desk right here to be in a million pieces. Look at that. It's got pieces. You can see I made a mess, but we don't have time to finish it right now. I got 2 drawers put together. We got to go pick up Tanner. It's almost 1:40 right now. He gets out at 2 today on Wednesdays, so we got to go pick him up. I'm really excited to see if he had a fun day, and then we'll come back. Actually, I don't have time to work. I'll make some time to work on it. All right, everybody, we have the Tanner. How was the school, sir?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ooh.
I think my favorite part is he is happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at him. Look at that smile.
He said he wants to go back tomorrow.
Yeah. He said the school is pretty cool. and that he's not going to get in trouble. What'd you get, Shelly?
I got a shipment of new pots and pans.
Pots and pans? What's in
I
here?
got them on sale.
On Amazon?
On Amazon, they're Rachel Ray.
The Rachel Ray
They were
set?
like
Oh my.
60% off.
How much was it?
I think these were like $89 or something.
Total? What do you use that for? Is that a soup pan?
Usually like corn or something.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
No.
Sauces.
I wish you'd just stop shedding everywhere.
Look
Oh
at
my
this
god.
IKEA bag.
Oh yeah, this IKEA bag is ridiculous. We bought so many random, like a toilet scraper thing, bowls. What is that? A step stool for Allie, a shower curtain, cheese grater, potato peelers. I bought 2 different types of potato peelers.
Our house is so messy right now.
I
Like,
know.
you don't even want to see.
You want to see this mess? As you see the table. So I'm gonna get back in there and get back on working on finishing that up a little bit before I have to take off and go do what I need to do today, which is go pick up a couch and do my character warehouse video. And I've already ran out of time to complete. Look how close we are. I literally got some screws to put in on that one over there, mounted to that. Couple more pieces. Not very long, but I have ran out of time. I do need to get going now. As it is 3-ish o'clock. The kids and Shelly went swimming. I have to go get that couch and do my other video stuff. Like I told you guys, once we moved here, there's gonna be Disney content coming, some Universal stuff in the near future, other things coming along in the next coming months as we are now living here in Florida. Internet. So talk to the people. They're gonna send somebody out tomorrow. They're like, the internet's fine. Just not at your place. And I'm like, oh, how convenient. So tomorrow around 12 to 1, they should be by. We'll get internet and I will be able to, I can edit tonight. I don't know. I'll get a video up for you guys by tomorrow. How about that? I will find some Starbucks nearby or something and upload a video. But yeah, day 3 of the trip needs to get uploaded. Alright everybody, we have made it to the first character warehouse video location, so I'm going to go into that, and then I will see you guys when we're on our way to get the couch.
A few moments later.
Just wrapped up the character warehouse here on Vineland. If you guys ever come down to Florida and you want to buy some semi-cheap Disney stuff, I just got myself an Epcot shirt. It looks super good. I'm pretty excited about it actually. I've always wanted like an Epcot shirt, so that's pretty cool. $22, originally $40. So let's see, let's make sure that yeah, $36.99, and now it's $22. So it's a good deal. Also, there's a lot of other stuff too. Like there's 50th anniversary stuff that was like $150, now marked down to $50. Good stuff. Either way, heading down south to Davenport area. Gonna go pick up a couch and hopefully not sit in traffic for 38 minutes to go 14 miles. That's what it's currently saying right now. There's an accident. The couch is all loaded up in the back there, and we are actually almost home. I stopped by the store, picked up some Gatorades. It's not hot out, but like I'm just sweating a lot, and I think it's the humidity. I'll get used to it, and then one day it'll be like 70 out, and I'll be like, oh my gosh, it's so cold out. Either way, we're about 10 minutes from being home, but it's already 8-ish o'clock at night already. Couch is now installed. We have now couch. Look, Shelly built it. She built the whole thing. And I got some new screws for the TV, so it sits straight up and down. It doesn't have that angle anymore. You want to say hi?
I made you a nice bed right here.
Okay. So it's currently 10 o'clock at night. I still got to edit some videos. Obviously the character warehouse video we just did today. And then on top of that, I need to go inside there and finish the desk tonight. All has to get done tonight because tomorrow we have the internet guy. We have take Tanner to the school bus. We got to stop by your work. And on top of that, what was the other thing?
That's it?
No, there's something else.
Oh, we need to go to the store and get stuff.
No, there's something else.
Oh, the notary.
Oh, we gotta go to get a notary because we lost the title of the truck. We have many things to do again tomorrow, And then we're possibly going to go to Disney Springs for the kids to go run around and do something not related to working on the house. We'll see how that goes. Either way, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's craziness as we are just now finally getting moved in to our house. It does need to be shampooed. Shelly already knows. Whew. I am hot. I need a shower. We're going to call it a day. So thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And Allie loves your support. And we got some more stuff coming up very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.